Welcome back to the garage. Today we're going to be unboxing a Golf Car King battery charger that is manufactured by DPI. This particular one is designed for a club car that has an onboard computer, or what we refer to as an OBC. So let's get it unboxed and see what it looks like. Okay, as we unbox this, inside here we have our AC cord, and the other side we have our DC cord that plugs into the charger and the end that plugs into the car itself. Next is the charger itself. On the back here, we have where our AC cord plugs in. And once you plug it into the wall, there's a little green light here that will appear. If you'll notice, the light is not on. Now let's apply the AC power, and the light comes on. That lets us know that the charger is getting power. Next, we're going to plug the DC cord into the charger itself. We'll align the notch on the cord along with the notch on the charger itself. Then we'll rotate the locking nut about a quarter turn till we feel it seat. Then turn the nut back about a quarter turn till we feel it lock into place. At this point, it should be very snug. Next, we'll go plug this thing in, plug it into the golf car, and watch it run. Now let's plug in the DC side of the charger to the charger receptacle on the car, aligning this piece with these little grooves on top. Now it may take a moment or two for the charger to actually cut on. That's the OBC taking a reading of the batteries, and then it will tell the charger to come on. This is normal. Notice how the amperage gauge goes all the way up to around 15 amps. That means the batteries were highly depleted, and now they'll get a good charge. Well, we got our DPI 48 volt 15 amp charger hooked up and our batteries charged. Remember, if your club car has an OBC, this is the charge you'll need, 48 volt, 15 amp. But if your club car does not have an OBC, you'll need a 48 volt, 17 amp. And the way to tell that is you'll have a row of pretty lights coming up the front on a 48 volt, 17 amp. Well, we've had another great day here at the garage. Look forward to seeing you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and for all your golf car parts and accessories, check out DIYgolfcart.com and make sure to check out our other videos.